Hi students, hi everyone. I'm Umang and with me is Lokesh. Lokesh is one of the winners at ICE Challenge and this is going to be a conversation about his journey throughout the event and how he nailed the competition. So I'm co-founder of Capable, which is being rebranded from Elite Techno Groups to Capable. So over to you, Lokesh. I would love to have a quick introduction about you, from which college you are, which year are you in, what are your interests and which ice challenge you participated in and the rank you finished with.
Yes, so thank you so much, Umang, for the well introduction. So myself, I am Lokesh Parab. I have just graduated from the Mumbai University. My specialization was in computer engineering, and also now I have also done some internship related to Google Cloud. I also participated in the events such as Google Cloud Ready, which help me to enhance my cloud skills and also the knowledge. Also I am like quite like interested in data science as well. I had done some solve some problem as well, and also this was my the first hackathon which I was participating here at IC channel.
Lokesh, how did you get to know about the event? Were you aware of us before or was this by something else?
uh actually uh actually if you must be knowing that I had like doing like one of the course from your only
Okay,
from Elite Techno Group. Yeah.
nice.
So I am doing a like a master degree in
Mhm,
data science.
mhm,
Actually, like 4 months ago, I was doing a nano degree program.
mhm.
Then after that, I just thought to well graduate because my performance was like quite well. So yeah, so I got the information from there only.
So,
Yeah,
how
yeah.
did you get to know about our programs, even the computer science program, which you're already part of, the data science? Okay. How did you get to know about that program? How did you take it? And how had been the journey so far in that program?
Actually, when I just get the touch with your like for the course, I just remember I was like got the internship for like related to Python machine learning. So like usually I was like shortlisted from the 5,000, and also I was getting the free internship. So I was not like very serious, but I decided to just do it like, okay, we can also do that stuff because we are very great in like Python also. So I just like did the internship, and the the mentor which we have, like specifically Ashish Jangra, like he was a like very uh, passionate about his skills. Also, he was like very able to teach as well. Very, though he had not like a very good knowledge, but his teaching skill was very nice. So I like felt like to join like such a course if we are getting such a mentor, because I have I like before I joined to you, I have also joined for such course also. And the problem was like she was like a very good she work in the Google Cloud like stuffs, and she was a kind of a data science only. Like she like mentioned that she was working in a Google Assistant. Like that time the Google Assistant was their new project, so she was like working on it. And the she the live lecture were not been like conducted. So that was like issue, like how can I like get communicate with the mentors if like I get like stuff out it some doubts, like simple basic doubt. So that's like problem like created. So you got the right way the course to join with you. So like yeah, that's it.
What was the motivation behind the program? What did you want to achieve out of it?
From the ice challenge, like it was like the first hackathon for, especially in data science. I was joining, and like I was like already done some courses. Also, I know some stuffs of knowledge. So I was like thinking to like now we should just get started and do like ourselves. So like you give us the IC challenge and hackathon. I got that opportunity to join, and it was like a kind of good to me. I got like a well experience from it.
I was
Yeah,
asking, how
yeah.
did you find the whole journey of the ICE challenge from the problem statement to the whole competition and final results? How had it been?
Yeah, yeah. It is a very good story from my side. Oh, yes. So, like when the hackathon was started, I saw the problem statement, also the way that we had to represent all those things, and like I have like seen many of the hackathon. Like before I was like joining to, I was like searching that how the like actual the data science or hackathons are going through, and I would like say that it was just a different like an unexpected for me. So usually no from I just see like the data set which were given. I was in a format of PDF, and usually like for the any data scientist, they need the like SQL work from like SQL type format for it. So usually I don't have that format, and the things the data were given in a PDF, and we had to make it in a like a good format to work on it. So it was like a very big challenge for me to do, and I did it like in a just a one day. It didn't take me like much, because like all the stuff again knowledge I had done, even like from Ashish Jangra to I got to know like how we can handle with such things. So I do some like a stuff for that. So it was like a very good like first time I had did. So it was like a great achievement for me that I had did it. Then secondly, mm, all like the problem statement like I had done with the exploratory data. Uh, I had just like analyze it. So the thing was the questions I was doing it for the first time, and I was like get not aware like much about the exploratory, like about the how looks. I was just like aware about the how they solve the reference. Then like you are about the IC challenge. You provide us the video, and I was not aware about it that there were some videos also. So that helps me like a lot, like how to solve all those things also. And like it was great. I learned it the things, I applied it on it, and like I just work that all the things you want also. Like first time I'm making like a video for it, like how I have present it. So this was like about my working. Then when it comes about like I luckily selected from the top six, and like I was like a very happy for that, because you are just getting a top six from that such national hackathon as well. And and also the exciting point was it's like uh, because I was like first representing in the live, and I was like very not just aware to how to present myself, how to way to talk. So this was my big challenge also for me. Then luckily I did like very good presentation. I was also working on all those stuffs also, because life skills also matters, like just not about the knowledge, the life skills also matter. And I just like very confident. My friends were also cheering me. Then it got me like very motivated. And that day, luckily, I was like well present, no matter how was the solution, like it was wrong or right, I don't know it, but I was the that's make me my day very grateful. So it was like a very nice experience, and also the first time to present my solution like with the judges, and they also give appreciate me like you had did very good stuff. Yeah, your presentation was also good, which was like I was giving the first time, and I like very feel proud and kind of achievement to me. So yeah, so that's it. Like it was just a great experience.
It is very important what you said, because I think
Yeah, yeah,
it's about us getting the confidence, and as you said, people should be given that confidence, which is important. So,
yeah.
great. Perfect. So, Lokesh, in general, when you have joined the program with us, before any of the program you did with ETG or Capable, as I would say, before that, now you have done the program, you have gone through the system, and after that, if you have to give yourself rank or marks from 0 to 10, where would you see yourself before the programs with us and after the programs with us, or the ICE challenge with us? Where do you see yourself?
Actually, like I would like say I'm from zero to hero now. Like this is not like I'm joking, but yeah, I am just got from zero to hero now. Means I give like a rating a 10 out of 10 from now, because like my thought process is also like very different from the past also. And also I am also very good, like I was kind of a very good in knowledge and skill, so that was not the issue for me. So yeah, that's it.
And would you be telling, or would you be recommending us to the people that is this a good place to be in? What are your thoughts on that?
Like if you are like getting like opportunity, like if you're getting the opportunity online classes, if you are getting the opportunity from the company with a plus course and also the working experience, so uh like I like my thoughts are like a very different, but yeah, you should like go. If you, that means you can just like, you know, at least try, like you can do that stuff. Or if you're not, if you're just not gonna do the stuff, then you should like look at us. The life is like just no, just a try and hit and try. So yeah, if you're getting like specifically in online lecture, then like I would suggest like you should at least try to join, and you will get to know like ourselves like how the things are going. So yeah, you should like go for the attempt for it, at least for the attempt. Definitely, because I just like said no, it was like a very good like environment, also the ecosystem about you. So yeah, I because no, I don't get like such people. No, they are just like confused like about their career. So I just like say that I am doing data science. If you are like interested, because the because where I am learning, it is, I also say that it is a very good. So yeah, I am recommending all my friends.
This is interesting what you said of being proud of yourself. A lot of people don't do that. People try to keep telling them that they need to improve, which is important. But at the same
Yeah,
time, one should see that they've achieved something, feel proud of it, which pushes them to do the next things. So
yeah.
nice, nice. This is a very important point which you have shared, and this is really nice. Perfect. So thanks a lot, Lokesh. Thanks for taking a time out on Sunday. I'm sure you might have had other plans, but you came in time for this. So this is great.
Yeah, it's okay, no problem. It was like a very great talk to you. Like specifically, I'm talking to co-founder, so like it's like a very special for me.
And I would say we are learning a lot from our students. So, a student sparing time, telling us things is something that means a lot to us. And we want to keep working on those things. So, really, really a pleasure talking to you. It was nice talking to you. And wishing you all the best in the field, in the career you are going for. Given that your zeal, given that your positivity, I'm sure you would be cracking them as you go on. So, all the best
Yes.
and take care. Keep improving the way you have been doing that. Nice talking to you. Bye
Yeah,
bye.
nice talking to you, man. Take care.
Sure.
Also, all the best for your goals and all. You can like very be the great
Thanks, Lokesh.
from all
Yeah,
those things.
for that.
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.